So for all of you who didn't know, last week was Computer Science Education Week, and we're gonna go ahead and celebrate that this week. And so last year what we did was we did code.org, and so, like what 3/4 of the student body has already kind of seen that and done that. So this year what I wanted to do is move on to Scratch, and so Scratch is the same kind of a setup. It's block programming. You would get there by going to scratch.mit.edu. And yeah, if we go hit create right here on the top left corner, you could see we have our sprite. It's a cat, right? And we can do different things with it. The way you get everything rolling is get everything started. You hit the green flag. I'm hitting the green flag, but nothing's happening. That's because over here in my code, I don't even have a green flag. So if you go here in the middle to the scripts tab, right, we have the sounds, costume, scripts. You could see all of the coding blocks are categorized. And so we go to events, and here's the green flag. So we want to start every program with that. And then we can go to looks, and we could say hello for 2 seconds, right? So if I do that and I hit start, cat says hello. Okay, great. Cat's a little bit lonely, so I want to add another sprite. We come here to new sprites and hit this Dragon Ball character, Z looking character. And maybe I want him to talk with the bat, so I'll double click on that. I'll position the bat where I want him. I hit the green flag, and only the cat says hello, right? Because only the cat has the green flag. So I'm going to go over here to the bat and hit event, green flag. I'm going to go to looks, say hello for 2 seconds, and now I hit the green flag. They're both going to run their scripts concurrently, but they both talk over each other. So we don't want to be rude, so we're going to come over here to control. We say wait. I want the cat to talk first. The bat's going to be talking second. So while the cat's talking for 2 seconds, the bat's going to be waiting for 2 seconds, right? And I hit the green flag, and now everybody's nice and polite. And using wait and say, you can create a dialogue, right? And things get this is like, first step, right? And right over here on the stage, you can hit new backdrop to look at the library and have them, have a conversation in a castle. You can come over here to the bat, go to costumes, and flip them back around, right? You could even go ahead and draw on him if you wanted to add something to the sprite. But yeah, this is kind of just the first step. Scratch, if code.org was like a swimming pool, right? Then Scratch is more like a small sea, I guess you would say, or maybe a lake. You can get very deep in the programming here. And I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but there's like a video game called, it was like the first person perspective shooting game. It was like called Doom. And they recreated that here in Scratch, which was kind of blew me away. It was pretty impressive. So the potential for differentiation here is immense. And so, yeah, so this is what we're going to be doing. Here on Wednesday, that's tomorrow, you're going to have your students go to Scratch, sign in. Oh, I'm sorry, not sign in. Join Scratch, right? And they'll go ahead and create an account. And then I have the links to these two videos in the email that I'm going to send you. And so this one here is the one that they should watch on Wednesday, and it just goes over kind of what I just said right now and just eases them in to the platform and how everything works out. This is for beginners, right? And then with no like computer science experience. And then for the advanced users who's maybe taken some of my courses, or maybe they have a dad who works in programming and they know what they're doing, then they want to come over here to advanced, and they'll watch this video, and that will get them up to speed on what's expected of them on Thursday and Friday. All right. So Wednesday, you're going to have everybody create their accounts on Scratch, watch the video, and then on Thursday and Friday, for the full 20 minutes, they'll be putting together a small little project. And that's about it. I think, oh yeah, for Thursday and Friday, the students are definitely need headphones. So if you don't have enough for every student, then you want to make sure you let everyone know that they should bring a set of headphones for Thursday and Friday. The tutorials are all video based, so it gets very disruptive very quickly if nobody has headphones. And yeah, I think that's about it, right? So here's to a successful late Computer Science Week celebration.